Stations TV. Right now, I'm at Tokyo Station rental cycle port. There are so many bikes to rent, but some of them have less batteries or some problems with bike. So we need to pick a bike carefully. Oh, seems like this bike is good, so let's pick this bike. Alright, so let's go back to the Tokyo Station. Alright, so we came back to the Tokyo Station. It's 2:30. I think it takes about 3 to 4 hours. So I believe we can come back here before the sunset. It's a really beautiful day. Anyway, I'm so excited. So let's bike. JR Yamanote Line is the main loop line in Tokyo. There are 30 stations and the total line length is 34.5 km, which is about 22 miles. This train line has been operating since 1885. It has really long history. There are many popular stations such as Shinjuku, Shibuya, Akihabara, Harajuku, and more in this line. So let's see how many stations you know. This is Kanda Station right next to Tokyo Station. Still, there are many tall buildings here, but I see more families and kids on the street. Now we arrived to Akihabara Station, one of the most popular anime street. There are so many game centers and gachapon here. After keep straight, we arrived to Okachimachi Station. This is the station where you can find the entrance of Ameyoko Street. From here, I walk. There were really few people in Ameyoko Street, but recently people come back to the town. I am really happy to see. On the way, I found a mini Pokemon UFO catcher, so I have decided to try it. Sweet! Now I have a buddy, so let's keep biking. After passing Ameyoko Street, now we arrive to Ueno Station. From here, we go up to the north part of Tokyo and the street becomes quiet. I couldn't find the next station, I was totally lost. But finally I found the station. This is Uguisudani Station. Here we go. Now we are at the Nippori Station. Around this area compared to other Yamanote Station area, rent is cheaper. So if you wanna save money but you wanna live near Yamanote Line, you can check this area. And this is Nishi Nippori Station. It was really close to Nippori Station. I was lost again, so I have decided to ask to the people.
すみません、こっちまっすぐ行った田端駅ですか? Seems like this is a dead end, so we have to go back. But here is the Tabata Station.
I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling.
This is Komagome Station. There are many schools around here. It was really quiet.
We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces faces all around.
This is Sugamo Station, really popular town for elder people. Whenever Japanese media try to ask the elder people's opinion, they often come this station for interview.
We'll turn right. We just have to hold on through the night. As long as we are watching the fight, we'll be safe from the...
This is Otsuka Station. Right next to Otsuka Station, traditional arcades here.
When the river is calling, I said I love you forever.
And this is Ikebukuro Station. Compared to other stations, much bigger and more traffic.
Yeah, yeah. When things go wrong, it's easy to sing a sad song. Seems like nothing.
This is Mejiro Station. Right next to the Mejiro Station, there is really nice shaped ice cream restaurant. I will show you guys in the future video.
Your fragile soul will soon be strong. I'll carry you.
And this is Takadanobaba Station, this town known as a student town.
What I wanna say is that I stand by you when you're falling. When the river is calling, I said I love you forever.
And we arrived to ShinOkubo Station. There is a big Korean town here. So if you love K-pop or Korean food, this is a station that you wanna come. Now we are at the Kabukicho Shinjuku. Shinjuku Station is almost there.
It's my heart seeing you struggle with the things you do, carrying the one on your shoulder.
Here we go. This is Shinjuku Station West Gate. Compared to east part of Shinjuku, west part of Shinjuku is quiet, so I like it better.
That all my troubles gonna blow away, but I won't quit until it gets better.
This is Yoyogi Station. There is a huge park called Yoyogi Park.
Stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you.
We are at Harajuku Station now, and it's the popular young fashion street, Takeshita Street. Next station is Shibuya, but my bicycle's battery is dying, so let me change the bike here.
Alright, so seems like this place has a lot of bikes, so we can find a good one. Oh, this one has 70%. I think good enough. Let's pick this.
My original plan was coming back to Tokyo Station before the sunset, but we are still at Shibuya. Seems like it will take longer than I thought. Anyway, let's keep biking. Now we are at the Ebisu Station. This station is named after Ebisu beer, which is my favorite beer. There is an Ebisu garden place, really beautiful in the night time. This is Meguro Station. There is a Meguro River, which is really popular for watching sakura. Many Japanese come visit this station during sakura season. This is Gotanda Station. This station is popular for office buildings and the red light street, also local arcades. Now we are at the Osaki Station. There are many office buildings in this Osaki Station. It was much quiet than what I thought.
I think I totally picked the wrong way.
Now we arrived to Shinagawa Station. As you can see, it's a big station. This station is the Shinkansen station too. There are many huge office buildings. Yes, many salarymen as well. This is the newest station in Yamanote Line, Takanawa Gateway. Compared to other stations, this station is really clean. I found the 7-Eleven on the way, so I decided to take a rest. I picked the salad chicken and green tea, oi ocha.
Alright, so it was perfect rest with oi ocha and the salad chicken. Tokyo Station is almost there, so let's keep biking. Let's go.
This is Tamachi Station. There were many salarymen waiting for the escalator. I've only used once this station when I walked to the Odaiba through Rainbow Bridge. Actually, there is a closer station, but I started walking from this station. This is Hamatsucho Station. It's the perfect station to start walking to the Tokyo Tower. You can see beautiful Tokyo Tower and you will find the Daimon, which is big gate. So if you are visiting Tokyo Tower, I recommend walking from this station. This is Shinbashi Station. Whenever I go to Odaiba, I use this station to use the Yurakucho Line. Now we just have 2 stations left. Since I came to near Ginza, I have decided to stop by Ginza too, because nighttime Ginza is really beautiful. I really like cycling in nighttime Ginza. The lights are really beautiful. This place used to be packed by many travelers even in the nighttime, but now it's really quiet. This is the last station, Yurakucho. It's a really popular station for drinking. However, due to the pandemic, not so many people are working now. Small restaurants are having really hard time. Hope the situation gets better soon and the people can come back to the restaurants. It's almost Tokyo Station. I was riding on the bike around 6 hours, but I had really good time. Recently, I've been training for future Mount Fuji Challenge, which will happen when we hit 100,000 subscribers. Definitely, this biking was really good training. I have taken photos during the biking, so please check my Instagram account too. When I came back to Tokyo Station, it was totally dark. But I am really happy to see this beautiful lighted up Tokyo Station as a final destination for this biking trip.
Oh my goodness, yes, finally we came back to the Tokyo Station. It's 8:40, so it took about 6 hours and 10 minutes. Website told me 3 hours, 4 hours, but I took much longer than that. Speaking of the fee of renting a bike, it's about 1,300 Japanese yen, which is almost $13 US. I think it's not bad. So maybe you can try that too if you like biking next time when you come to Tokyo. You can see the back street of Tokyo and it's really fun. If you like the video, please share the video with your friend and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss my new video and a surprise live stream. So hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Arigato! Bye bye! My leg! Really sore. But I think it's really good for the Mount Fuji challenge. Oh, recently I've been using Twitter more. I usually tweet recent Japan news and something I found funny. So if you haven't checked my Twitter account, please check my Twitter account. Oh, and I totally forgot the Ryan greeting. Hey guys, welcome to Ryan's TV. I'm Ryan. Se no, go! ありがとう、バイバイ。